Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by to see what I am up to. I have my Bookcase Club. Loving this box. I am so behind in reading, but that's okay. I was going to pause this for a month or two just to see if I could catch up, but you know, once the weather starts to turn where you're really not going outside too much because it's cold and all that good stuff, I'll catch up. So this is obviously my Bookcase Club. I have not even opened it. A lot of times I try to slip the tape before. I did not. So Bookcase Club is a monthly book club. So book of the month club, basically. It is $12.99 a month plus $5 in shipping. So that's like $17.99, I think. You get hardback books, you know, with really nice jackets, or occasionally you get the softbound books. You do get 2 books. The genres you can pick from: Teenage Dreams, Booking for Love, Surprise Me Fiction, Strange Worlds, Thrill Seeker, and Bookcase Kids, which is by gender and age, and you get 2 to 4 books in that genre. I get the Thrill Seeker case, and I do think this is like box 17, if I'm not mistaken. This is how it comes packaged. Always nicely packaged. Rip right into this. I'm excited because I'll make my recycle so I don't have to stick with boxes till like next week, which is always good. Oh, this looks nice. The last list of Miss Judith Kratt by Andrea Bobotis. This is a softback. Value is $15.99 US. Always like to give you that. There's a little shot of that. And that's an odd inside jacket. I'll show you the font. These are great to throw in your bag or take on the train, plane, just, you know, on the beach, just because they're not, you know, they're soft bound. Let me see if it gives, it says, I'm just going to read a little bit in here. Murder stuns distinguished family. Ooh. Quincy Kratt, age 14, sustained a fatal gunshot wound to his person in the early hours of Friday, December 20th. Young Mr. Kratt was a scion of the cotton industry in Bound, South Carolina. His father, the influential businessman Rayburn Kratt, is one of our local captains of that industry. The principal suspect in the shooting is an African American. I'm not going to use the word they used. That's ridiculous. That should not be in a book. Called Charlie Watson, who is employed by the Kratt Mercantile Company and whose whereabouts are as yet unknown. So I'll just show you. They use the word Negro, and I don't like that. African American is fine. And then a little tidbit on the back. If you want to pause, you can see the size of the book. That looks interesting. Love a good murder. And The Ancient Nine, a novel, New York Times bestseller by Ian K. Smith. I mean, these jackets are so nice. Wow. US $27.99, Canada $36.50. And I show you the font. Once again, this is a good size font. And let's see what this book is about. Cambridge, Massachusetts, fall 1988 is when this book is set. An unlikely Harvard prospect, smart and athletic, strapped for cash, determined to succeed, calls his mother, who raised him on her own in Chicago, every week. And that's from Spencer Collins. And then there's another little thing. Let me see. These two find enough common ground to become friends. Oh, then Dalton Winthrop must be the other character. A white shoe legacy at Harvard. He's just the most recent in a string of moneyed, privileged Winthrop men in Cambridge. He's got the ease and the deep knowledge that comes from belonging. And it says these two find enough common ground to become friends, cementing their bond when Spencer is punched to join the Delphic Club, one of the most exclusive of Harvard's famous all-male final clubs. Founded in the 19th century, the Delphic has had titans of industry, Hollywood legends, heads of state, power brokers among its members. Dalton Winthrop Winthrop knows firsthand that Delphic doesn't offer memberships to just anyone. His great uncle is one of their oldest living members, and Dalton grew up on stories of the club rituals. I don't know if that really doesn't give you too much. I guess that's basically, I don't know, this font is small in some of it. Really don't know what the, I guess it's the story of those two. Really doesn't give you too much information what is going on in the book. Oh, this, like the prologue is Halloween night 1927, the Delphic Mansion. So I would assume this is probably a murder. With a masterful hand, Ian Smith has written a novel that immerses us in the dark intrigue of one of the country's oldest secret societies. Okay. An enticing thriller, those seeking an inside look at the Ivy League secret society will get their money's worth. Okay, so that's these two books for this month. Ooh, I'm excited for both of these. Sound wonderful. So that is my Bookcase Club Thrill Seeker case. Like I said, I think this is number 17. I leave a direct link to their website, and I have an affiliate link if you'd like to get this one. It's very affordable. I mean, you see the prices of books. They are very expensive, and you can't beat it for the price. You can switch your genre every month. You just have to notify them. I think it's by email or on their website prior to your billing, or else you're going to get the same genre that you received the month before. You have to catch them before they bill you, but they're more than happy to switch it up for you. One month you want to get a set for you, the next month you want, or two, you want to get for your children, and then switch back to maybe surprise me fiction. And you can do that. I don't, because I won't really read those other genres, but you can do that. Just like I said, catch them before billing, and they're more than happy to accommodate. Like I said, I would love if you want this one to use my link. It helps out a little bit. I get a little bit of money when you sign up. I think I don't know if they pay quarterly. I honestly don't know. I have not received much, but every little penny helps. It goes directly into my shipping fund in my bank. I have a separate account. I have 3 accounts tied into my bank account, and one is strictly YouTube, AdSense, any kind of affiliate monies, things like that. If I get a little bit of money from making a video for a brand, it all goes right into there, and I use it for shipping for my giveaways. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I really appreciate those that watch this video, and I might do a little surprise from this box. If you watch, make sure you comment. It's the only way that I know that you watch this video. And then maybe in a week or so, I'm going to pop up a little surprise from this video. I'm not going to tell you what it is. So if you watch this, make sure you comment. You don't have to comment anything specific, just comment, and I might pick somebody from the comments and send them a little surprise. So I was going to do that with my prior Bookcase Club, but I had a giveaway in it. So I might pick one of you that comment and send you like a small box of little goodies, maybe some samples, maybe a palette. You never know what I'll include in it. But I appreciate watching all of them and not just, you know, the ones that always do well. This one doesn't always do well, but it's a favorite of mine. It's an educational video because you get books. It opens up your knowledge, your vocabulary when you're younger. I think the Bookcase Kids is great, and you can't beat the price. And they're your books to keep. I know they have book swaps. I've seen them on Facebook. You can sell your books. You can donate them to the library. I box them up and give them to my charity, which benefits the veterans. And they either can, I don't know if they sell them the books or if they give them to them, but they can, you know, spread the reading love. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment. It's important in this one. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.